Hello guys, review Realme Pad 2, this version 8GB RAM and 256GB storage, open box and look completion. We have device and completion, Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Okay. We have display 11.5 inch. Turn on device. On this side speakers and power button. On this side warm buttons. Okay. Type-C port. Open settings. About phone. About tablet, we have Android 13, Helio G88 octa-core processor, 8360 mAh battery, Android 13. Okay, open tests. Single core score, multi-core score test. Look, GPU test results. Close this and run Antutu benchmark. Look Antutu results. Okay. PUBG Mobile works on the medium graphic level. Okay, look camera. Okay. And that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.